When it comes to maintenance service contracts, businesses should focus their customers on high value versus low price. When you compete on low price, you expose yourself to lower margins and higher risks. Maintenance contracts need to detail all the work that is being performed for the customers, and if they need a lower price, then remove tasks, not margins. Along with improving your cash flow, maintenance service contracts are a great way to train new technicians and also provide work during your shoulder seasons. Take the risk out of maintenance contracts by investing in selling them with Quadra and our team of advisors. Quadra provides tools to easily define the scope of work of your project. With our large library of tasks and templates, Quadra makes quoting all types of equipment consistent, easy, and the detail helps eliminate scope creep and risk. We also have advisors to educate your sales team to help them close more sales more efficiently. Not only will this improve your close rates, it will provide work during shoulder seasons, keep your technicians happy. Great opportunity to train new technicians. Normalizes your cash flow throughout the year, get additional work from your customers during service work. But most importantly, it elevates your company's image and brands you as the trusted advisors. Now let's look at how Quadra will help you sell maintenance contracts. With the Quadra mobile app, technicians can easily survey the customer's equipment in the field and update the records in real time. New equipment records can be added, or existing ones can be updated to ensure you have the correct information for creating a maintenance contract quote. Once your technicians or sales team have surveyed the equipment in the field, you can create a contract quote. Or if this is a contract renewal, you can simply copy a previous contract and modify it with the changes to the equipment records. All the tasking is preloaded based on the equipment types, and because all the tasking is time-based, the maintenance contracts can be formalized quickly. You can adjust task duration, frequency, skill level, and month for the services to align with your availability of resources. The system can auto-calculate drive time and has advanced machine learning to identify the materials that are expected to be used to service the various equipment types. Once you have all the equipment and tasking completed, you can review the overall contract's costs, margins, commissions, and adjust if necessary. Once completed, simply select the appropriate quote template and with the push of a button, create your maintenance contract quote. Once the customer approves it, the contract can be added to your system so that the work can begin. Quadra's advanced API can help integrate the contract data into virtually any system seamlessly. Take the guessing out of quoting with Quadra. To learn more about Quadra or to arrange for a demo and obtain a 30-day trial version with no obligation, contact Earth at quadrademo@earthcorp.com.